So your classes have gone remote. You have an essay to write, or let's say an art project, or maybe show your work, or even a love letter to a secret admirer. One problem with going remote though, can't deliver it in person. With most instruction now being implemented online, students and teachers alike have found difficulty in sharing the most intimate parts of in-person learning, handwritten notes. Don't worry, we're here to help. Here's how to set up a DIY document camera. First, clear your desk. You'll need some room. Place a sheet of paper onto your table. You'll need a writing utensil too. Next, stack some books or other flat heavy objects, maybe a little over 1.5 feet high. You can use your phone's back camera as an external camera. Open up the Zoom app and connect to the same meeting. Place the phone on the stack so that you can see the paper in frame. Now you can write, draw, anything, and it'll show up just like it's in real life. If you want to save and share what you've written, it's never been easier. Two options. On iPhone and Apple devices, go to the Notes app. Tap the camera icon and select Scan Documents. Tap the Capture button. Once you've got your picture, drag the corners to fit the page and select Keep Scan. You can even add additional scans to the same document or just select Save when you're done. Don't have an iPhone or don't like the Notes app? The University of Michigan recommends CAMSCANNER. Open up the app and select the camera button. Align the document within the camera and hit the camera button again. It will start blinking. Tap it again to confirm. You can drag the corners to fit the page. Then tap the next arrow. Your picture should then be converted into a document. You can then choose a color setting and fine-tune your document to your liking. When you're done, hit the check mark. There you have it. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and remember to wear a mask.